So today we're going to take a look at how you can make bar charts in Excel with the data that you have in your spreadsheet. So this is just the spreadsheet that we used in the last video, and all we're going to do is we're just gonna sort this out quickly and make it look more reasonable. And now we're going to take this data here, our product needed, our amount, because they're going to make up the the X and Y, and then this is going to be the data, and the titles are going to be for like each bar. So once we do it, once we've highlighted what we want, just by dragging and holding, we click insert, and you can see over here, about middle of the way, this bar, you'll see column, and you'll see that if you click on it or click down on the little arrow next to it, you have a variety of different styles that you can have. I quite like this 3D one here. If we click that, you can see now that we have the amounts. And a cool thing about this is if we change the amounts, let's say we had go from 10 plums, from 5, the data automatically updates on the bar chart. Another cool thing is if you click on it, you go over here to chart design, you can actually change the design. You can also change the style as well as the colours, so we change it to like that one. So then you've got a bar chart, but let's say you want to put this bar chart into a Word document. That's pretty simple. So we've got our Word document open here, and what we're going to do is click on our chart. We're going to click Command C or Control C if you're on Windows, and then we're just going to go back to our Word document and paste it in, like so. That's pretty cool, but let's say the data changes. Well, how do we fix that? We've already pasted it in. We don't really want to mess around with it. So let's say, for example, we make this one 25. That updates on here, as you can see, it's updated here, and it's also updated here. But if it doesn't always update, you just simply click on it and click chart design and click refresh data, and it's all pretty simple. Or if you want to edit the data in your own Word, you can just click that, go back and just click that again. You can click edit data in Excel, and you can simply edit it. So let's say now I want 20 mangoes. It's edited there, and it's also edited here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. Hope this helped. See you next time.